Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your work profile on Android. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to settings and scroll down and search Google services. Go to Google services and find setup and restore. Go to set up your work profile. Click on next. And if you wanna give a picture, then give a picture. If you wanna give a code, then enter code manually and type your code here and tap on next. Then your profile will be created. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.